In this video, you will face 25 questions about classic pickup trucks. 1 point for each right answer. Don't forget to subscribe for more classic car quizzes. Are you ready? Let's play. Choose the correct one. A. 1967 Chevrolet C10. B. 1979 Chevrolet LUV. C. 1953 Ford F100. D. 1958 Dodge Swepside. The right answer is B. In this vintage truck, A. 1954 Chevrolet 3100. B. 1948 Dodge Power Wagon. C. 1985 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale. D. 1965 Chevrolet CK. The correct choice is C. Your choice is hard. A. 1970 Toyota Hilux. B. 1966 Ford F-250. C. 1958 Chevrolet Apache. D. 1957 Dodge Swepside. If you guessed D, you're correct. In this one, A. 1948 Ford F100. B. 1950 Chevrolet 3100. C. 1965 Jeep Gladiator. D. 1967 Chevrolet C10. The right answer is A. Let's see what you really know. A. 1981 Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. B. 1955 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. C. 1965 Ford F-250 Custom. D. 1985 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale. Pick from A. 1949 Willys CJ2A. B. 1975 Ford Baja Bronco. C. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super. D. 1959 Chevy Napco. This classic is C. Next pickup trucks. A. 1966 Ford F-250. B. 1988 Chevrolet Silverado. C. 1993 Ford Lightning. D. 1979 Chevrolet LUV. How about this one? A. 1968 Dodge Power Wagon. B. 1967 Chevy Cheyenne. D. 1965 Jeep Gladiator. This is D. Jeep Gladiator. Do you think the truck is A. 1991 GMC Cyclone. B. 1967 Chevrolet C10. C. 1965 Chevy CK. D. 1970 Toyota Hilux. The correct choice is B. Let's see if you crack this one. A. 1973 Dodge D100. B. 1980 International Scout. C. 1958 Chevrolet Apache. D. 1961 International Scout 80.
Halfway there, how's your score? If you're not subscribed yet, that's worse than running out of gas on your truck.
Next question. A. 1972 Chevrolet Blazer. B. 1968 Chevy C10. C. 1976 Ford Bronco. D. 1966 Ford F-250. You're right if you pick A. I think it's an easy one. A. 1969 Buick Skylark. B. 1955 Pontiac Star Chief. C. 1948 Dodge Power Wagon. D. 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota. Your car style is C. Any idea? A. 1970 Oldsmobile Rally 350. B. 1955 Chevy Cameo. C. 1963 Ghia G230. D. 1953 Ford F100. This is D. Ford F100. A. 1950 Chevrolet 3100. B. 1981 Triumph TR8. C. 1953 Chrysler Special GS1. D. 1994 Dodge Ram. The correct choice is A. Next question. A. 1965 Jeep Gladiator. B. 1970 Toyota Hilux. C. 1977 Mazda Rotary Pickup. D. 1999 Ford Super Duty. The right answer is B. In this one, A. 1970 AMC Rebel Machine. B. 1947 Hudson Big Boy. C. 1979 Chevy LUV. D. 1958 Chevrolet Apache. If you pick D, you're correct. A. 1965 Ford F-250 Custom Cab. B. 1962 Dual Ghia. C. 1970 Oldsmobile Rally 350. D. 1973 Chevy Blazer. This one is A. Your choice is hard. A. 1956 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. B. 1965 Chevrolet CK. C. 1967 Chevrolet C10. D. 1954 Chevrolet 3100. The right answer is B. In this one, A. 1955 Chevrolet Cameo Carrier. B. 1979 Dodge Lil Red Express. C. 1989 Dodge Shelby Dakota. D. 1991 Ford Skyranger. This one is B. Do you think the car is A. 1963 Dodge 330 Max Wedge, B. 1963 Triumph's Spitfire, C. 1978 Dodge Midnight Express, D. 1988 Chevrolet Silverado? You're right if you pick D.
Next pickup. A. 1965 Ford F100. B. 1957 Dodge Sweepside. C. 1961 International Scout 80. D. 1967 Chevrolet C10. This classic is A. 1992 AM General Hummer. B. 1948 Chevrolet Advanced Design. C. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Super. D. 1948 Dodge Power Wagon. The correct choice is B. Any idea? A. 1959 Chevy El Camino. B. 1985 Chevy D20. C. 1981 Jeep CJ8 Scrambler. D. 1966 Jeep Commando. Your car style is C. A. 1954 Chevrolet 3100. B. 1983 Land Rover Defender Pickup. C. 1962 Mazda B Series. D. 1986 Nissan Hardbod. If you guessed A, you're correct. Choose the correct one. A. 1954 Toyota Stout. B. 1947 Willys Jeep Truck. C. 1971 Holden Kingswood. D. 1958 Dodge Sweepside. The correct choice is D. This is the end of the video. Drop your score in the comments. Then smash subscribe and ring that bell, or we'll trade your truck for a lawnmower.